poetry can be full of wisdom and can be relating to every really occasion of life. The fourth caliph, Hazrat Ali Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu, may Allah be pleased with him, he used to do poetry himself as well. And there is actually a poem that he supposedly read at the grave of his beloved wife Fatima, who was also the daughter of the Prophet, may the peace and blessings of Allah be upon him. So poetry is very much a part of our religion. And that obviously then wasn't just left there. The promised Messiah also picked up this trade. In one of his couplets, he explains why he does poetry. And it's obviously an Urdu couplet, but it translates to that we have no connection to poetry as such. I only do this so that some people may understand my message this way. Because some people like listening to songs, others like reading books, others like listening to podcasts. And similarly, poetry has an impact on certain kind of people.